Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to reset your Cash App login. So let's get started. Open up a web browser to get started and go to the URL box at the top and type in cash.app and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official webpage of Cash App. Click on the login option at the top right hand corner, which will then bring up the sign in page. Go ahead and choose one of your login methods. You can choose your mobile number option or choose the email option. Simply go ahead and enter your credential and follow through the login process. After you enter one of your credentials, whether you are using a phone number or your email, you will then need to verify your email or phone number by entering the confirmation code that you just received. After entering the confirmation code and logging in and getting on to the next step, you will then be asked to enter your cash pin. If you don't remember your cash pin during the process, then simply click on Get Help and select Forgot Cash Pin. Now, you will need to log in once again by entering your credential, enter your email or your mobile phone number and enter the confirmation code that you just received and click continue. After verifying your email or your phone number, you will then be logged into your Cash App account. So that is how you can reset your Cash App account login. If you ever forget your cash pin that you've previously set for Cash App, all you need to do is to verify your phone number or your email address and you will be able to get back to your account again. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.